Dear students, welcome to one more new video of 10th Standard Social Science. In this video, let us see preparatory exam paper of Udupi district. Four choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Francisco de Almeida introduced blue water policy in order to develop ports, strengthen foreign trade, strengthen naval force, capture Goa. Second one, the Peshwa Bajirao II entered the system of subsidiary alliance because Holkar's army defeated the army of Peshwa Bajirao II. Internal clashes among the Maratha leaders. Lord Wellesley defeated the armies of various Maratha families. Peshwa Bajirao II was defeated by the British. Third one, the methods adopted by the British to take Indian kings under their control. System of subsidiary alliance, war and negotiations, doctrine of lapse, system of subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse. Fourth one, the Governor General of British during Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Lord Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Cornwallis, Lord Ripon. Fifth one, Amarasulya revolt is basically a workers' revolt, Sepoys' revolt, King's revolt, farmers' revolt. Annie Besant has been called as Shweta Saraswati because she conducted comparative study on Hinduism and Buddhism. She translated Bhagavad Gita into English. Desire to educate all classes. She started Hindu College at Banaras. Seventh one, the English historians termed 1857 revolt as Sipai Mutiny, freedom movement, political revolt, political revolution. Eighth one, the main aim of Vernacular Press Act, independence of the press, achieving national unity, to curb the independence of independent press, support public interest. MCQ number 9, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, was declared by Ravindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. MCQ number 10, Gandhiji's salt satyagraha was held at Ankola, Dandi, Champaran, Belagavi. MCQ number 11, Swaraj Party was started by Mahatma Gandhi, A.O. Hume, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. MCQ number 12, Lala Lajpat Rai was killed during Jallianwala Bagh massacre, protest against Simon Commission, non-cooperation movement, salt satyagraha. MCQ number 13, match the name of the leaders given in list A with their information given in list B and answer using the quotes given below. Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Justice Fazl Ali. List B, First President of India, First Home Minister, State Reorganization Commission, First Prime Minister. MCQ number 14, the program implemented by Karnataka state government for the implementation of rural women. Mahila Mandalas, Stri Shakti, Women Health, Establishment of Anganwadi. The main aim of the Article 51 of the Constitution is providing free and compulsory education, establishment of uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions, social justice and welfare of the people, respecting international law, peace and coexistence. 16. During Chinese aggression in 1962, with the help of America, India defeated China, trained military, got financial assistance, got more strength. MCQ number 17. The year in which UNO asked for the commitment on the part of member countries for the protection of human rights. 1960, 1965, 1966, 1976. MCQ number 18. October 24th, 1945 is a special day because of the establishment of United Nations Organization, establishment of Commonwealth of Nations, establishment of European Union, establishment of SAARC. 19. The article of Indian Constitution which prohibited the practice of untouchability. 11, 17, 13, 15. 20. The book Republic was written by Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, Auguste Comte. 21. The reason for Silent Valley movement was it discharged chemicals into the sea, threatening the local environment. To oppose the establishment of thermal power plant, destruction of environment and damages to wildlife, oppose the displacement of Adivasis. 22. Invisible hunger means nutrition, hunger in rich, malnutrition, balanced food. 23. The highest mountain peak in India, Kanchenjunga, Mount Godwin Austen, Mount Everest, Anaimudi. 24. The two branches of southwest monsoon are Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, Andaman branch and Bay of Bengal branch, Eastern Ghats branch and Western Ghats branch, North Indian branch and South Indian branch. 25. The black soil is derived from crystalline rocks, basalt rocks, granite, coal. 26. The National Forest Policy was introduced in 1948, 1952, 1992, 2002. 27. The first multi-purpose river valley project of independent India is Hirakud, Damodar, Bakranangal, Nagarjun Sagar. 28. A method of agriculture in which a large amount of capital and labor are applied per unit of land is mixed farming, intensive farming, humid farming, commercial farming. 29. The mode of transport suitable for the development of villages and agriculture in India: railway transport, water transport, road transport, air transport. 30. The port which is called as Queen of Arabian Sea: Kochi, Mumbai, Marmugova, New Mangaluru. 31. The correct group of personal communication is post, telegraph, telephone and fax, email, internet, radio, newspaper, seminar television books, periodicals, post, telegraph. 32. The Manchester of India is Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Bengaluru. 33. Generally, cyclones occur more in the months of October to November, June to July, November to December, September to October. 34. HDI of India in 2014 is 0.344, 0.562, 0.856, 0.586. 35. Development of its village is the true development of India. It was said by Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, Dadabhai Navroji, Jawaharlal Nehru. 36. The significance of establishment of women's self-help group in villages is organizing the rural women and making them financially independent, social and political upliftment, eradication of exploitation and discrimination of rural women, eradication of gender inequality, and protection of women's rights. 37. The word bank is derived from the Italian word banco, bacco, barak, bank. 38. The type of bank account in which deposits are made regularly on monthly basis for future requirements is saving account, current account, recurring deposits, fixed deposits. 39. The other name of the consumer: provider, producer, distributor, user. 40. The year in which the institution AWARE was established by a few women of Mumbai: 1955, 1965, 1968, 1975. Now let's see the answers. First one, correct answer is option C, strengthen naval force. Second one, correct answer is option A, Holkar's army defeated the army of Peshwa Bajirao II. Third one, correct answer is option D, system of subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse. Fourth one, correct answer is option A, Lord Wellesley. Fifth one, correct answer is option D, Farmers' Revolt. Sixth one, correct answer is option B, translated Bhagavad Gita into English. Seventh one, correct answer is option A, Sipai Mutiny. Eighth one, correct answer is option C, to curb the independence of independent press. Ninth one, option D, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. 10th one, option B, Dandi. 11th one, correct answer is option C, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. MCQ number 12, correct answer is option B, protest against Simon Commission. MCQ number 13, Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister. Option B, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, first President of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, first Home Minister. Justice Fazil Ali, President of State Reorganization Commission. 14th one, option B, Stri Shakti. 15, option C, D, respecting international law, peace, and coexistence. 16. Option D, got more strength. 17. Correct answer is option C, 1966. 18. Establishment of United Nations Organization. Option A is the correct answer. 19. Option B, Article 17. 20. Option B, Plato. 21. Correct answer is option C, destruction of environment and dangerous to wildlife. 22. Correct answer is malnutrition, option C. 23. Correct answer is option B, Mount Godwin Austen. 24. Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, option A. 25. Basalt rocks, option B. 26. Correct answer is option B, 1952. 27. Damodar, option B. 28. Intensive farming, option B. 29. Correct answer is option C, road transport. 30. Kochi, option A. 31. Correct answer is option A, post, telegraph, telephone, and fax. 32. Correct answer is Mumbai, option C. 34. 33. Correct answer is option A, October to November. 34. Correct answer is option D, 0.586. 35. Mahatma Gandhi, option A. 36. Correct answer is option A, organizing the rural women and making them financially independent. 37. Correct answer is option A, Banco. 38. Correct answer is option C, recurring deposits. 39. Correct answer is user, option D. 40. Correct answer is option B, 1965. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks.